Good afternoon. It is September the 28th, 2016. Time to recap our trading today. We wanted to be short this morning. We thought it'd go a little higher, but the first trade was a sell. We had a sell at 57 to 60. Caught it. Our buy was this morning 45 to 47. And our number one resistance and our number one support area both held. The trades went pretty much as expected. There are retest failure trades right up here. There's a monkey trade for a scratch. This monkey trade is for a scratch. Mean green trade right here. Those two S's plus. Monkey trade for a scratch. Another monkey trade for a scratch. Retest failure plus. No trade on that S. Mean green trade after the monkey trade. So it was pretty choppy down here. Not a lot of big trading, but the market pretty much went as expected. OPEC said they're going to be able to get a deal by November. That hit the market. Crude exploded to the upside, taking the stock market with it. And the energy sector of the S&P 500 is a large part of the S&P 500, and that would take us higher. So here we sit, closing on the highs, and what will tomorrow bring? If Iran does not agree to the OPEC deal, there is no deal. So right here, let's put all this together, and maybe a move out of the middle. Higher low, higher high. F1 says find a place to buy it overnight tomorrow. Retest the highs. This rally was oil-based, came out right there, so it is tied to news. And again, right now, based on this close right here, 70 to 75 is resistance. We've gotten stops above this, and support is 45 to 50. We do have news tomorrow. We have GDP plus 1.3. I believe that's where it was. Deflator at 2.3. You're looking at stagflation right there, folks, which is what we've been talking about. Trade deficit minus 62.3B. Jobless claims 260. GDP is old news. Corporate profits minus 2.2. That's an important number. Pending home sales up 0.5%. I have no feel for that. And natural gas inventories probably, plus 60 BCF. Don't have an estimate for that. It was plus 52 last time. So right now, just based on where resistance is, get stops above today's day session high. So selling 63.65, sell 1. 69.74, sell 2. On the buy side, we broke it out from 55.57 and then from 53. So for London, 55.57, buy 1. 50.52 for buy 2. And we'll adjust that in the morning. Wasn't a very good auction today nor yesterday. The 2-year auction was really a pretty good one because of a repo squeeze, not enough short end paper for the market. But the market traded up the whole week, no matter how good or weak the auctions were. Inside day today, that says trading range on the F1 screen for the 10-year. We have a P with a possible move down in K period tied to the oil news. Last rotate up stopped at 16.5, so 16 to 20, sell 1. 23.27, sell 2. On the buy side, I'm going to maybe a little bit more. 13, we'll put a question mark by that. So 5 to 9, let them get stops below today's lows by 1. 29 to 01 by 2. May take 13s to get in. Trying to buy it a little bit on the cheap. I just see a trading range. So resistance held. Let's go find out where support is. Okay, there's the oil news right here. Last rotate up stopped at 16, then at 12, so 12 to 16 is 1. The spill was from 22, 19 to 23, sell 1. 31 to 03, sell 2. On the buy side, the buck to 04 is number 1. 25, 29, buy 1. And we'll make 17 to 21 buy 2. If Iran, and I mean Iran may not come out and say anything because it's getting prices up helps them right now and they don't have to do anything. But these guys know how to work the markets. They're very, very shrewd. They know how to negotiate. Their whole history and DNA is from bargaining and bartering, because they don't manufacture anything historically. They just happen to be lucky enough to have been born on top of a bunch of oil. Okay, looking at gold. We did have support at 20 to 25. We did get to our number 2 buy zone today. Lower high, lower low. Look for a place to sell it. Not getting much in the way of lift. Definitely a B. So 28 to 30, sell 1. 34, 36, sell 2. On the buy side, 19 to 21. Actually, let's make it 20 to 22. And then 15 to 17. So the 15 to 20 area is where we like to get long, and looks like there's very good support in the 15 to 17 area. Crude oil, 50 bucks. If that news is true, why not 50 bucks? Remember, we had a 47 plus, 44 minus market before this Algerian deal fell apart. No one expected it to, so right up here, 49.36, and we have the high up there at 51.56. 50 bucks is a round number. Close enough. If we can't get through that 47.50, 47.75, take a shot at the short side to retest the 46.50. We have pulled off quite a bit, and again, the issue is going to be, well, all fine and good. What is Iran going to do? So right here, 2-letter ledge at 16, 47 and a quarter, 47.50. So 1. 47.75, 48, sell 2. The breakout came from 46.50, so 46.50, 46 and a quarter, buy 1. And then 45.75, 46 even, buy 2. OPEC has a deal, and if they're going to stick to it, prices can go higher. Higher oil prices would hurt the euro. got to pay more for energy. And they're very, very dependent upon imports. Lower high, lower low on the F1, find a place to sell it. Pretty square distribution. So we had a 75 sell. We're at 51 right now. It still looks reasonable to me. Sell 1. 113 even, sell 2. On the buy side, we were hoping to buy 25s, didn't get it, so 25, 35, buy 1, 112 even, buy 2. Hey, another good trading day. Hopefully you enjoyed Rich's presentation this morning. It's good. As always, there are so much good information in what he's done and what he's put on his tab in the website. If you don't have a bottom line and you want one, it's the fastest way I know of to get there. So anyway, I'll look forward to seeing you all bright and early in the morning. We'll get out and we'll do it again.